Hi, we're doing a little bit of a different video this week. I normally talk about workout products and nutritional health and exercise health and things like that. One thing I've never talked about on social media period is hair health. And to be honest, didn't know that I ever would talk about it. So this is a little bit of a different topic. Stick with me here. But I'm 30 years old now and about to turn 31. And so I am of that age where a lot of us guys start having to worry about hair health and hair loss and things like that. And while personally, I've not had a significant loss of hair at this point, I have started to notice a little bit of thinning. And it's not gotten to the point where I've been, extremely self-conscious or anything like that, but it has been a thought in the back of my mind for a while now. And that's when iRESTORE reached out to me to see if I wanted to do a video on their iRESTORE Elite laser hair growth system. And honestly, I was very skeptical when they first reached out, but I was open-minded since this was something that was of interest to me, and I started looking into it a little bit. I saw a couple of studies that did support laser hair treatment as an option for treating hair thinning. And this is also a non-drug based option, which is also something that was of particular interest to me because I didn't necessarily want to be taking anything or putting anything on my scalp to where if I stopped taking that drug, the hair that I grew back would all fall out. And there's a 12-month money-back guarantee. So if it's not producing results for you, you can ship it back for a refund. So that was something that I thought was interesting as well, that they have a lot of faith in you enjoying their product and it working for you. So let's take a look at what we actually have here. So we have the unit itself, which we will of course save for last and unbox last. And they also sent a few accessories to go along with it. They sent some hair gummy vitamins to go along with it as well. And they sent this package here. So we have thickening conditioner, thickening shampoo, growth serum, and then a DHT blocking supplement, or so it claims. I'm gonna take a look into the ingredients of this and talk about this a little bit more in a future video. And then we have a handy dandy comb that they've sent with it, a portable battery. So we've got that. And then we have the main unit itself. All right, so here we go. We have the helmet itself, and then what is in bag number one? I guess this is like a cleaning pouch for the inside of this perhaps. And then a charging brick. All right, so let's get this. There we go. I look super, super cool. I'm gonna do the rest of the video wearing this helmet. So the way this thing works is there are 282 lasers and LEDs that stimulate your hair follicles, keeping them in the growth stage longer. And all you do is wear this thing for 25 minutes every other day, and that's it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna be on this journey for the next 12 months. I'm gonna be giving updates every 3 months along the way. If you wanna join me in this journey, they did give me a discount code that you're gonna see up on screen. And one final thing that's very important to note, while iHealth did provide these products for free, this is a review. This is not a sponsored video. I declined for this to be a sponsored journey. I wanted to be able to give my honest thoughts on this product. So this is a review. I wanted to make note of that. So I will see you in 3 months. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the updates if you want to see this journey. And if you want to see my normal content of more gym-oriented reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel for that as well. You guys are awesome. God bless you, and we'll see you next week.